Did you see that? Emma smiled, but she never smiles. Something strange is happening.
What is this picture? Why is Emma in it? And who is standing beside her? This doesn't make any sense.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
Let's welcome our new student, Emma. Hello. Why is she always alone? She never talks to anyone. Maybe she's shy, or maybe she doesn't like us. Why do you always sit alone? I like quiet places. Don't you get lonely? I'm used to it. You dropped something. Thank you. Do you write stories? Just memories.
Something isn't right. Why does this photo look so old? Emma looks exactly the same. How is that possible?
Who's in that picture? Nobody. It looked important. Some memories hurt.
You can share my umbrella.
Why are you being nice?
Because everyone needs a friend.
Maybe. I miss you every day. I wish you were still here. Some promises never fade. Some memories never leave. Not tonight. I can't go in there. I'm not ready yet. Please stop. Far away but still near, I hear your voice every year. Though you're gone from sight, I remember you every night.
Wait a second. What's that building behind Emma?
It looks familiar.
I've seen it somewhere before. No way! That's impossible! This yearbook is 20 years old. Why is Emma inside it?
She hasn't changed at all. How can this be? Is there another Emma? Or is something very wrong?
Can I sit here?
If you want.
You don't have many friends.
Neither do you.
That's a beautiful necklace.
It belonged to someone important.
Your mother?
Someone I miss very much.
Why is she here? Does someone she know work here? Or is someone sick? I need to know the truth.
I'm here again. I had a good day today. I met someone kind. I wish you could hear me.
She's been visiting every week for years.
Such a brave girl.
Most children couldn't handle this.
Years?
Now I understand. That's why she's always sad.
She's been carrying this alone.
No one should suffer like that.
Mom, I got an A in math today. You always wanted me to study hard. I hope you're proud of me. Please wake up someday.
She needs a friend. She doesn't have to face this alone. I want to help her, no matter what. This is for you.
Why?
Because friends help each other.
I don't have friends. You made this? Yeah. It's nice. You smiled.
Why is she always so weird?
Maybe she's a ghost.
Leave her alone.
It's okay, Alex. I still read this every night. Your words keep me strong. I miss you so much. I wish things were different.
Happy birthday! Make a wish!
Are you okay?
My mother has been in a coma.
For how long?
7 years.
7 years?
I stopped smiling the day she got sick. Every birthday, every holiday, I spent them at the hospital. That's why I never smile. I stopped smiling the day she got sick. Every birthday, every holiday, I spent them at the hospital. That's why I never smile.
7 years.
I don't want to be alone.
She carried all that pain alone.
No one visits me.
No wonder she never smiled. I have to help her. Emma needs our help.
What happened to her?
It's a long story.
Tell us everything.
I didn't know.
We've judged her unfairly. She was never rude.
She was at the hospital with her mother.
She was hurting.
Let's do something special.
Something she'll never forget.
For Emma and her mom.
Let's make it happen. She can't find out. It's a surprise.
Everything must be perfect.
For Emma. Perfect.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Emma. Why is everyone being so nice? Good morning. This feels strange. The night feels less cold. The darkness feels less deep. Maybe someone understands. Maybe I can still dream. What is all this?
A surprise.
Who did this?
Everyone.
They wrote all these?
Every single one.
For me?
For both of you.
I can't believe it. Thank you. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to.
I finally smiled. Mom? Did your hand just move?
I saw it too.
Please wake up.
This is unexpected.
Is she okay?
There are signs of improvement.
Really? It's possible.
You should perform.
Me?
You have a beautiful voice.
I don't know.
Just try.
Okay, I'll try. Mom loved music. We used to sing together. I stopped after the accident. Maybe it's time again.
You should perform.
Me?
You have a beautiful voice.
I don't know.
Just try.
Okay, I'll try. What if I fail?
You won't.
I'm scared.
I'll be there.
La la la. Sing with your heart. Mom. Never stop singing. I miss you.
Our next performer is Emma.
Emma?
You can do this.
I hope so. I'm nervous.
Take a deep breath.
What if everyone laughs.
They won't.
I've waited for this moment, to stand here on my own. The spotlight's on me now, and I'm finally home. Though you're sleeping far away, I still hear your voice each day. One day you'll come back to me. Until then I'll believe.
The hospital?
You need to come immediately.
Is everything okay?
It's about Emma's mother. Please let her be okay.
Stay strong, Emma.
I'm scared.
We'll face this together.
Emma, come closer.
Mom,
She's responding.
this is incredible. Emma, Mom.
My little girl, you're awake.
Emma! I waited so long.
I'm sorry.
You came back.
I never stopped fighting. You've grown so much. I missed you every day. I missed you too.
You're here now. Was that you singing?
Yes, your voice is beautiful.
You taught me.
Tell me everything. Where do I start? Start with your smile.
I finally found it. Welcome back. We're so happy. You did all this? You deserve it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for helping my mother. Most of all, thank you for being my friends. Alex,
What is it?
there's writing on the back.
What does it say?
This wasn't here before.
What does it say?
Find the blue box.
Before it's too late.
Maybe the blue box is here. Mom used to store things in the attic. Let's keep looking. We have to find it. I found it.
That's the box.
It looks very old.
Open it.
It's from my mother.
What does it say?
She wrote it years ago.
Before the accident?
If you're reading this, then I couldn't tell you myself. Never stop smiling, no matter what happens.
What's that number?
Locker 117.
At school?
I think so. This is it. Are you ready? Not really. Let's do it. These are mine.
Your mom saved everything.
She kept all my memories.
She never forgot you.
It's a video.
From your mom?
I think so.
Play it.
Hello, my loves.
If you're watching this, then you're stronger than you think. And I hope you're smiling. Life will be difficult sometimes, but never let sadness steal your smile. You are stronger than you know.
This is for me?
Your mother left it.
All these years.
She was thinking about you.
Wow. If I can't be there, remember how much I love you.
Keep singing.
I will. Look what I found.
You found the box. You knew? I prepared it long ago. One step at a time.
You're doing amazing.
I'm trying.
I'm proud of you.
Look who's here. Mom came. Always. This song is for you.
Sing with your heart. Thank you, everyone.
She's incredible. She really is.
You changed my life.
You changed mine too.
Promise we'll stay friends.
Always.
Emma smiles all the time now. She's so different. She was always there. I just needed hope.
That's the smile I missed.
I'm happy now,
You deserve it.
and I'll never stop smiling.